What up, YouTube? I'm back. It's been a while, 2 months and some change to be exact. Some changes have happened over that time. Took a break, work, grind. So first off, I would like to thank all of my subscribers, new ones, old ones, the ones that had left likes, comments. I'm sorry about the music in some of the videos I edited. I'm a beginner. I didn't know that it was that loud. Once I finalized it, I would do better. For those who have all the questions and I answered, I hope I answered them correctly. If not, you can hit me back and I'll try. So other than that, let's get into it. Sorry about my stuttering. Let's get into it. I traded in my 300. Yes, it is gone. We downsized in cars. We had two, then we had the 300, and it was a little too small. And then my wife was worried about people stealing it. My family in general, uncles, aunts, because the way I had it hooked up and where I lived at, people think that somebody was gonna try to steal it or rob me for it. So, you know, I came in agreement. So I went out and got a new car. Well, bigger and new car, a truck actually, because I own a home and it was hard for us to get stuff back and forth and asking people to do stuff. So we wound out eliminating everything at once. Bit more room and hauling. So if y'all know already, without further ado, I'm gonna show you the truck, but the camera can't flip around, so I'll be back and I'll flip the camera around and I'll switch the camera around. And no, it's not a Mopar. They taxing on the Mopar trucks. So got the big boy Ford. This is my 2020 Ford F-150. And it's the Lariat package. And the mirrors go in. When you park, you can electronically go in. I got the 18-inch wheels, nice meat on the tires. Just do your walk around. I haven't got the tint done yet. I had it for about 2 months. I've been doing jobs off and on. That's also an extra income. And my video after this will be this big. So I'm going to sand this down and paint it with the Rhino. It's not Rhino product, but it's the same look. I got it from Harbor Freight for about $26. I'll leave all that in the next video, but yeah, that's the first video after this one. It's getting this cleaned up and done, and then I have to get these. I have these ordered. They come in little things, the clamp for the harness. Right here is 4 of them on each corner. I will get those done. I get the thing to release the trunk to make it go down slow. I'm gonna install that. This is a 5.5 foot bed. The F-150 logo on the back. Pretty decent truck, single pipe out the side. 4x4. This is a very, very reliable, decent truck. I only have one issue. Not really an issue. I had to get adjusted to it. It was the V8 and the gas, going from a V6 to a big V8 like that. So I'm gonna show you the inside. All it is, you know, it opens up and locks with the touch of your hand. I have the key, the number for the key. It unlocks the doors, rolls the window down. I think, I never tried it. And it unlocks the tailgate. And this is how the inside looks. Big speakers, memory seats, window. This is to make the window go in right here. Side vent with the logo on the side. Your lights, your brake, your pedal adjustment. That's how the steering wheel looks. I'll turn the cluster gauge on once I get in. Show everything. So you have 2 middle consoles. This is the shifter. This is the when you change the shifter from sport mode to towing mode. I'll show you all that. The inside, no sunroof. A lot of stuff I had to learn on my own because I got it from a used dealership. that wasn't Ford, so they didn't really tell me anything. There's the climate control, your media center. I'll show you the back. So it's a crew cab, super crew cab, whatever you want to call it. This is the back seat, enough room for my kids to fit in. I only have 2, but they're older kids. Back, this is the cup holder. Comes out, goes in. If you have your 2 USB, the AC, you have the thing right here for the charger too, and also you have a plug. Sorry that's dirty. It was like that's my first time opening it actually, so yeah, gotta get that clean. And then the seats fold up. Some of my work stuff in there. It's a nice space. See, both seats fold up, actually. So, boom. So yeah, that's how that goes. And you pull the lever, and it comes down. All right, let's hop in and show y'all the inside. So you have a port right here. That's a USB port, 2 of them. And stuff they put here, as you see. Then you just press this forward. Let it go, and it slides. You have another one right here, there, and cups. Then you have another USB port, another cigarette plug right here. This is the big, it's big, it's huge down there. You have the glove box over there, nothing fancy. You have your sun visor, for your glasses. These are the lights for the inside. Oh, this button here is for that back window to slide. I'm gonna turn it on real quick and show you. So, see, back window slides open, closes. That's that. So, like I said, here's the steering wheel. Here's how you control it, your cruise control, horn, control your media. This is how you switch it from radio to satellite to your Bluetooth. This is what you talk on, mute. And okay, so when you turn the car off, you see that says all sensor and the primary sensor. So if say like you have outside and the doors are shut, the windows are down, you had a cookout, whatever the case may be, and you put it on the bottom one, that only works for like somebody hit the car or try to pull the doorknob while it's locked, the alert go off. But the one that says all, the one that was at the top, if you have your doors and windows doors closed, windows down, and you out, and these sensors, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all pointing at the windows. These are pointing at the back windows, these are the front windows, or right here in the front. If someone put their hand in the car will go off. That's a sensor for that. Also, I learned if you ever want to program another key, it's under here. The match system is under here. You just pull a cup holder piece up. Let's see. Pull it up and boom. That you put the key fob right in there and program the key. And that's for another video when I get a new key. But okay, so let's push to start. All right, this is how it looks when it comes on. The old Ford Tough, the Ford sign comes on there. Oh, so this is just you know what that is, the anti-lock or the swerve, you know, the slipping control. I forgot what it's called. Sorry about that. Your hazards. This right here is the if I'm at a stop sign or a light, the car shuts off and it's supposed to save gas. When I release the pedal, the car comes back on. You can, if it's annoying, you can press this and it cuts it off. This is lane assist right here. And that's these arrows right here. So when you turn the car and drive, when you're in the lane or highway, that green, if you start to swerve over, it'll turn yellow and the steering wheel will guide you back into the lane. So that's that. Let's see. You have, let's see, I cut the car. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put it again. Oh no, it won't let you do nothing if the door ain't shut. Let's put it shut. Turn the AC on because it's kind of hot. Sorry about that. All right, so it's a 10-speed transmission. Right there, jumped on. See that? So I have to cut this down. It's a 10-speed transmission. It's a V8 5.0 liter. I don't know how many horsepower it is. This is, you know, the lower the oil, the temperature, the gas. This is, you know, tell you I'm pointing southwest. This is the arrow. This is the miles, and that arrow right there. See, I'm sitting still, so it's not doing anything. But if I put it in drive and drive a little bit and come to a complete stop, that will turn green, indicating the car will cut off. It's quite annoying when the AC is on because, as you know, when the engine cuts off, the AC cuts off. So I turn it off in the heat. It's the for the two-wheel high, four-wheel automatic, four-wheel high, four-wheel low. And this is the menu button. Like I said, you hit to change the menu on the screen. That's satellite. That's the radio. Turn it down. It's copywriting. That's the radio. And I will have Bluetooth on, but it's off. Nobody wants satellite. I don't really listen to it. Then you have the climate control. You know, the same as every car. The phone function, I have my phone up because I'm recording right now. Navigation is great. Nice. Then have the apps, settings, you know, stuff like that. And that's quite good. Speaker, you got a speaker up there, speakers on the side. Like I said, all in all, it's a great truck. You got any questions, let me know. It's been making me money since I got it. I've been making money. I've been everywhere. It's good. Like I said, there's a difference between V8 and V6, definitely, in a truck, pickup truck. And that's it. Short and sweet video. Just let y'all know that the 300 is gone. I don't have it anymore. Now I have the F-150. I always wanted a pickup truck. It could make you money at the same time. And yeah, so thank y'all. I'll be putting videos out more and more. Like, comment, subscribe. If you still have questions about the 300, let me know. I have a bunch of 300 guys that I'm be around a lot or talk to you all the time. All the answers you would need. If not, we'll find the answer. My grandfather has a 300. So like I said, thank y'all, and I'm out.